Very good morning, students. Today we will start with the arithmetic progression, that is your maths 1 chapter 3. Already in the last video I have explained the arithmetic progression and its formulas and how it should be proceed. So now in this video we are going to start with the exercise. Before exercise, let's see some quick revision of what we have learned. A sequence is a collection of numbers arranged in a definite order according to some definite rule. So that is a sequence. Then the general representation of sequence is A1, A2, A3, A4, like goes on it is. If difference between any two consecutive terms of a sequence are constant, then the sequence is an arithmetic progression. The difference, that is tn plus 1 minus tn or tn minus tn minus 1 between any two consecutive terms is denoted by d. The difference d can be positive, negative or 0. The common difference d can be positive, negative or it may be a 0. If the first term of an AP is arithmetic progression is A and the common difference is D, then the terms of the sequence will be like this: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, like that the sequence will be. So practice set 3.1 we will start today. Which of the following sequence are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. So here the sequence is given 2, 4, 6, 8. So here what we will write here, first term, that is A, or we can write it as T1. So T1 is given 2, T2 is given 4, T3 is given 6 and T4 is given 8. Correct? So now what we will do, we have to find the common difference. That means T2 minus T1. What we will get? T2 minus T2 is 4, T1 is 2. So 4 minus 2, 2. Then again next one, T3 minus T2. That is T3 is 6, T2 is 4. So we are getting again 2. Similar way, T4 minus T3. So 8 minus 6 equals to 2. So you can see here that 2 we are getting common for every this. So here 2 is the common difference. So here the difference between two consecutive term is constant. So here the difference between two consecutive term we are getting constant in every. So here this is constant, so it's an AP. Therefore the given sequence is an AP and the common difference D equals to 2. So the next question, that is 2, 5 upon 2, 3 and 7 upon 3, like that it is the sequence given. So here T1 will be 2, T2 will be 5 upon 2, T3 will be 3, T4 will be 7 upon 3. So now we will find T2 minus T1. So T2 minus T1 is what here? That is T2 is 5 upon 2 minus 2. So that is half. Similar way for T3 minus T2, that is 3 minus 5 upon 2. Again we are getting half. But T4 minus, then again T4 minus, that is 7 upon 3 minus 3. So here what we are getting? Minus 2 upon 3. So here these two are same, but this T4 minus T3, there the common difference is not matched with the other two. So here what we can conclude, here the difference between two consecutive term is not constant. Okay, it is not constant. That means Therefore, the given sequence is not an AP. Understood? So the next question is, the sequence is given 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So here T1 is 3, T2 equals to 3 plus root 2, and T3 equals to 3 plus 2 root 2, T4 equals to 3 plus 3 root 2. So now we know that we have to find the common difference for consecutive terms. So T2 minus T1. So T2 minus T1 will be what here? 3 plus 3. So here T2 minus T1. So here 3 plus T2 is which one? 3 plus root 2 minus 3. That means here we are getting root 2. So similar way, T3 minus T2, that is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus 2, that is equals to 2 root 2 minus root 2. We will get root 2. So here also we are getting root 2. Now T4 minus T3. So here we will write first 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. That means here what we are getting here, that is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 equals to 2 root 2. So here root 2, root 2, root 2. So this 3. So here constant term we are getting constant number, that is root 2. Therefore here what we can conclude, the difference between two consecutive term is constant. Therefore the sequence is an AP and the common difference we are getting here root 2. So next question. So next question is, write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. So A is given, first term A is given and common difference is given. So here we will write T1 equals to A equals to 10. T2 is what here? T1 plus D, that is equals to 10 plus 5, that is equals to 15. T3 will be T2 plus D, that is equals to T2 is what? 15. So 15 plus 5 equals to 20. T4 is T3 plus D. So T3 we got 20. So 20 plus 5, that is equals to 25. Therefore the required AP is 10, that is 10 first term, second term 15, 20 will be third term, fourth term will be 25, and life goes on, the sequence will be. So the next sum is, A is given minus 7, D equals to half, and half will be equals to 0.5. So now we will find the T1. T1 is what? T1 is equal to A, that is equals to minus 7. T2 is what? T1 plus D, that is minus 7 plus, that is 0.5, that is equals to minus 6.5 we will get. So here second one, that is T3. So T2 plus D, T2 we got minus 6.5. So minus 6.5 plus 0.5, that is equals to minus 6. Now T3 plus D, that is equals to T4. So minus 6 plus 0.5. So we are getting minus 5.5. So the equation, the sequence will be what here? Minus 7, minus 6.5, minus 6, minus 5.5, and like goes on the sequence. Therefore the required AP is minus 7, minus 6.5, minus 6, minus 5.5, like that it will go. Next question is, find the first term and common difference for each of the AP. So the sequence is in AP, it is given, that is 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, and goes on. So here first term, that is T1 equals to 5, T2 equals to 1, T3 equals to minus 3, and T4 equals to minus 7. So here we have written this. Then what we have to find here? So T1 equals to A. So here T1 is what? 5. T2 minus T1. So T2 is what here? T2 is 1 and minus 5. So what we are getting? Minus 4. T3 minus T2, that is minus 3, minus 1, that is equals to minus 4. T4 minus T3, that is minus 7, minus of minus 3. So what we are getting here? Minus 7 plus 3. So that is equals to minus 4. So minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. So common difference is minus 4. And first term already we are having, that is 5. Therefore A equals to 5 and common difference is minus 4. Next sum is 1 upon 4 sequences, then 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 7 upon 4. So here T1 is 1 upon 4, T2 is 3 upon 4, T3 is 5 upon 4 and T4 is 7 upon 4. So T1 will be A equals to 1 upon 4. So T2 minus T1. So T2 is what here? That is 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. So here denominator is same. So we can write 2, 3 minus 1, 2 and upon 4. That means 1 upon 2. T3 minus T2. So T3 what we got? What is there? T3 that is 5 upon 4. 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4 equals to 2 upon 4. That is also equals to half. Then it will be 7 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4, that is equals to 2 upon 4. So here again we are getting half. So here half, half, half. That means common difference will be half. That is D equals to half. Already first term we know that is A equals to 1 upon 4. So A equals to 1 upon 4. Therefore A equals to 1 upon 4 and D equals to 1 upon 2. Hope you must have understood.